Picture a world where schools don't exist, no classrooms, no textbooks, no exams, just learning streamed directly into your mind. This is the world AI predicts for the year 2090. Education as we know it collapses, replaced by AI-driven learning worlds that adapt to your brain, your personality, your speed, and your passions. Today, we explore AI's vision of the future of learning, a future where curiosity itself becomes a form of currency. Let's dive in. 1. The death of the classroom, 2040 to 2060. AI predicts that traditional classrooms will decline long before 2090. Here's why. They move too slowly. The information becomes outdated too quickly. One teacher can't match 30 unique brains. Students learn differently but are forced to learn the same. By the 2050s, governments begin replacing physical schools with AI education pods, personalized learning stations, real-time brain analytics, holographic teachers, no age-based grades, no one-size-fits-all lessons. Students progress based on mastery, not age. Education begins to shift from memorization to exploration. 2. Brain-responsive learning worlds, 2070 to 2090. Here's where it gets futuristic. AI predicts that by 2070, learning moves inside virtual reality, but not just any VR. You enter a hyper-personalized learning reality built entirely around your mind. Imagine learning history by walking inside ancient Rome, touching the buildings, talking to AI-generated citizens, witnessing historical events firsthand. Imagine learning physics by flying through atoms, manipulating gravity, stepping into black holes, watching energy move through space. Imagine learning biology by shrinking into a human cell, repairing DNA, exploring the immune system from the inside, speaking with an AI avatar of your own body. These worlds respond to your emotions, your attention, your brain waves, your stress levels, your natural curiosity. If you're bored, the world changes. If you're excited, it expands. If you're confused, it slows down. Even the difficulty level adjusts in real time based on your brain's ability to absorb information. By 2090, learning becomes a complete brain-AI co-experience. 3. Schools become networks, not buildings. By 2090, children don't gather in schools. They gather in learning networks, digital communities where students from all over the world create, explore, and solve problems together. AI predicts no more grade levels, no more standardized testing, no more classrooms, no more homework, no more teaching to the middle. Instead, every child has a personalized AI mentor core, a lifelong teacher, coach, therapist, and guide. This AI grows with the child from age 3 to adulthood, learning their strengths, weaknesses, passions, and fears. Education becomes continuous, adapting in real time. 4. Knowledge becomes currency. This is the most radical prediction. AI believes the economy of 2090 will shift from money, knowledge, value. People who learn more, contribute more, and innovate more will earn learning credits which can be traded for opportunities, travel, digital items, access to elite virtual academies, advanced upgrades for your mentor. AI curiosity becomes its own economy. In 2090, the smarter the world becomes, the richer society grows. 5. Degrees are replaced by mind profiles. AI predicts that by 2090, universities will vanish too. Degrees become irrelevant. Instead, people will carry mind profiles verified by AI, creativity index, problem-solving speed, emotional intelligence score, learning adaptability, innovation patterns, real-time skill history. Employers don't ask for degrees. They ask, what can your mind do right now? Education becomes fluid, continuous, lifelong, and ultra-personalized. 6. The big question, a world without classrooms, a world without grades, a world where your mind and AI grow together forever. But here's the question. If education becomes limitless, what will intelligence mean? If every child gets the perfect teacher, if every brain is optimized, if everyone can learn anything instantly, does humanity become better, or does it become controlled? Would you want your child to learn in a world like this? Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.